Mavis is the first virtual network assistant for IT teams, focused on streamlining operations across wired and wireless while boosting user experiences. Mavis is how we can directly interact with Mist AI. It uses natural language so you can avoid memorizing CLI commands or stitching dashboards together. Simply ask a question or state your intent, such as show unhappy users. The requested data gets pulled together and shows the users with the highest correlation of failure and success. It also shows the trends over the past 7 days, so you know the top users to investigate. For example, let's say you get a call from a user saying their laptop named Denali is not working. You can use Mavis to get to the bottom of this. Mavis shows the top problems affecting this client. We see that the time to connect is slow, and that it's specific to the client and what WLAN and AP it's connected to. If you want to dig deeper, we can see things like service levels, classifiers, correlations, and events. This is where Mist AI really shines, applying various data science tools such as Bayesian inference and mutual information to help you understand what is going on. Expanding events brings up the event log to show you when issues first began and what happened without having to recreate it. Mavis is essentially a digital extension of your team, helping to quickly troubleshoot and resolve issues with ease, so you can gain back the time to work on more strategic and impactful projects. Mavis is a new member of your IT team that you can actually work with. The latest enhancement is a conversational interface where users can see pending actions or inquire about something else. Users can click on suggested actions or ask questions like, what is happening with this unhealthy access point? Mavis is a purpose-built AI engine that returns the relevant details about your network based on log mining, machine learning algorithms, and an overall rich data science toolbox. In this example, Mavis processes the site's AP data and concludes that an upgraded firmware image can make the AP healthier. The user tells Mavis yes, and that's it. No need to search for the firmware or upgrade button. Mavis enables AI-driven support to proactively resolve network issues with live feedback and real-time data. Here, Mavis verifies that the firmware upgrade was properly executed. Mavis's NLP has been enhanced with NLU, so it can understand what your intent is, even with misspellings. Ask Mavis to troubleshoot a specific client by selecting it from the list, which yields the client's issues and actions the user can take. This client appears to have some DHCP issues, so asking about the failure timeline yields a better understanding of the history of the problem and when it occurred. If you would like to see more, Mavis pulls together supporting data for the problem and allows the user to dig in deeper. Mavis contextualizes your intent to show you what matters, like the exact client experiencing issues and every time it failed to connect. If the problem cannot be resolved, Mavis can automatically open support tickets in other systems to get more eyes on the issue. The key takeaway of Mavis is to focus on making user experiences better with streamlined operations to quickly resolve problems before users know they exist.